Greeting guys, this is Waleed, an Arabic tutor for native speakers. If it's the first time you guys watch me, subscribe my channel on YouTube and follow me via this page in Facebook. Today we have a new exercise just talking about, this المفردات vocabularies. المفردات vocabularies. I just want us ضع الكلمات الآتية في مكانها المناسب من الجدول. Put the right words into the right place in this table. So he just split this table into many things here. Look, بلد, country, ضمير, pronoun, رقم, number, أسرة, family, مكان, place, مهنة, job. Okay. We're going to read from beginning to the last word to here. And we're going to figure out which word is related to these tables. This table, The first one, مصر. We know مصر, just country, مصر. He just choose this here, مصر. Next one, طالب. طالب. طالب, that means student. طالب, which one then? Which column is just right place for this? بلد or ضمير or رقم, أسرة, مكان, مهنة. The right one is أسرة. Yes, we can write down this here. طالب. طالب. Okay. The next one, أنت. أنت. أنت, that means you. He just shoot this in this column. Just related to ضمير, pronoun, أنت. So this one, مدرس. مدرس, teacher. مدرس, teacher. I think this is number, رقم, or أسرة, or مهنة. Very well. It's مهنة, and he choose this مدرس. Next one, طبيبة. طبيبة. طبيبة, that means doctor. So which one? It's related to بلد or ضمير or رقم or what? طبيبة, doctor, job. Yes, مهنة here in this column. So I'm going to write down here طبيبة. And this one, Syria. That means Syria. So just related to one. Which one here? Yes, that's related to بلد, country. So Syria. And this one, anti. Related to what? Yes, related to this one, ضمير. Anti, you. So we're going to write down here, anti. Okay. ثلاثة. Just related to what? To بلد or ضمير. Which one here? Yes, رقم. ثلاثة, that means three. خمسة. 5. That's related to what? Yes, number. Let's choose this. Pakistan. We know this, Pakistan. This is country. I'm going to write down here. Pakistan. Okay. Next one, جدة. جدة, grandmother. So which one? أسرة or مكان or مهنة or بلد? جدة. So related to أسرة. جدة. هو. I mean he. Just related to what? to ضمير, yes, هو. And this one والد, 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 father or dad. It's just, unfortunately, it's just related to والد, related to أسرة here. So we finished, you know, here. That's then to go into غرفة, غرفة, just غرفة, that means room, room is related to مكان here. واحد, واحد, number one, واحد, related to رقم. أخت, أخت, he choose here. حمام, bathroom, حمام, bathroom. He just also choose to حمام here in place. تسعة, تسعة, I mean 9, تسعة, can choose رقم here. Yes. مسجد, مسجد, mosque, mosque, just related to place, masjid. Ibn, ibn, we have mistake here. I'm just wrote طالب in أسرة, and this not right, this false. Ibn just related to أسرة. Ibn, son, son, son. مهندسة, مهندسة, just to a place or job or number or what. مهندسة, engineer, engineer here in مهنة. مصلى, 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 it just, you know, it looks like mosque, but it's not bigger, it's not big like mosque. So we can put this in this column, مكان, مصلى. Okay, and here هي, هي, she, she, هي, to job, place, family, or ضمير, ضمير, I mean pronoun here in ضمير. هي. تركيا, 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 just place, Turkey, Turkey. I'm going to put in country here, Turkey. And this one, طالب, it's just مهنة, his job, his طالب, student. And this is our exercise for today. Okay, this is really a good exercise. Just I think you just know the vocabulary, which one just related to countries, and what's related to pronouns, and in pronouns, and into numbers and family. I hope you understand from our video. If you like our videos, you can follow me, and see you at the next class. Assalamu alaikum.